Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you are doing great, exceptionally well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I'm going to share you how to improve our speak organ. I mean, whenever you try to speak in front of some people, we feel shyness. But we know how to make sentence and how to say speak in English, but we can't speak in front of people. So why? Only one reason. You have to improve, you have to train your speak organ. If you want to improve your speak organ, you have to practice more and more. And you can say, brother, I can practice every day. But yes, you can practice every day, but your way is not perfect. That's why. So you can tell me, brother, how can I improve my speak organ? And I feel shyness. I feel a lot of shyness. But even now, I'm English learner like you. But I don't feel shyness when you speak with some people. But I know I make a lot of mistake. But I always remember that I keep always one things. Today I make a mistake, and yes, tomorrow I will be learning from my mistake. It's necessary, bro. Mistake. If you don't make mistake, you won't be able to go a good English speaker. I made a lot of mistake. Even now, I'm making a lot of mistake. Now I'm talking in front of you, but I don't feel any shyness. Why? Because I have been making video in front of my camera for the past 6 months. And 6 months I realized one thing, that if I improve my speak organ, only one reason: comprehensive. What's the comprehensive? Just explain around you. And as you can see, there is a television, and you can see also TV just over my head and behind me and on the wall. And also there is a plastic floor. I'm sitting on the sofa and making video in front of you, and I'm English learner like you. And today I put my smartwatch. A few days ago I bought this smartwatch from my neighbor. You can say like that. I know you can understand English, but you can't say, you can't speak. Why? But you think, brother, whenever I speak, I think my grammar will be mistake. Brother, don't follow your grammar rules. You know, and tell me, I have a question for you. How did you learn your mother tongue language? I mean, Bengali language. Could you share me? Could you share with me? Only for listening, only for speaking. You listened around your parents, around your family, your society people, and then you went speaking like that. And now today you speak Bengali fluently. But basic grammar you should be learn. So basic grammar: present tense, past tense, future tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect tense like that. And also voice narration is that it's not a long time. It's need a little bit 1 month to learn this. Just waste 1 month and then try to, brother. And one thing I tell you, if you want to really improve your English language, really listening more and more, and try to shadowing practice. What is the shadowing? Shadowing is mean you listen some videos and try to say like this native speaker. And I'm trying to these things, and I'm following this thing now. And even I started this, Alhamdulillah, and I realized that I improved a lot from 6 months ago. And even you don't believe that 6 months ago I didn't introduce myself. This Shantu. My name is Shantu. and I'm a student and I'm studying engineering department of civil, and I was afraid about English subject. But now, whenever I see English subject, I feel good. Oh, my lovely subject. Please calm my heart. Remove your shyness and tell yourself, I can do it. It's possible for me. Pronunciation is day by day. Whenever you speak more and more and practice more and more, you automatically improve your pronunciation. But my pronunciation is not good, but I'm trying. I'm trying to improve my pronunciation. Pronunciation is important whenever you talk with some other country, and smartly. If you wanna show you smart things, smart, so you can also and you need a pronunciation. Pronunciation is not essential for a learner. A learner practice every day pronunciation better day by day. And inshallah, my goal is to become a expert in communication and English learner. I will have English good speaker and English learner and English teacher. I don't want to become English teacher. My target is to build agency in Bangladesh. And I'm a digital marketer, and I specialize Facebook ads and e-commerce marketing. And my goal is to I want to build a digital marketing agency in my own district, because my own district a lot of students, they are starting only for job. But Bangladesh unemployment is increasing day by day. But look the outside country, outside a student, they adjust the technology, and every day they learn 8 hours learn about AI, artificial intelligence. If you learn AI, you will learn a lot of money using AI. But you know that I did any coaching center. Even now, I don't go any coaching center. I learn from myself, and beside I help from ChatGPT. ChatGPT helped me a lot. My words, my sentence making, and my pronunciation, my vocabulary, whatever you want, whatever need as a learner. Do you use ChatGPT? If you don't use ChatGPT, download just and tell him, hey, my teacher, I want to become a good English speaker. Could you help me? Please tell me how can I start my English journey. The ChatGPT will give you a lot of things, how to improve your speaking skills and how to improve your pronunciation and how to improve your speak organ. And also, you are a Bengali, you can follow the other high school. This is the other high school helped me a lot. Okay, don't feel shyness, don't afraid. Sorry for that. I hope you understood my things and my strategy, my way. But today I'm not famous, but my words, my strategy is the famous things. As English learner, if you really improve your spoken English, listen every single day at least 1 hour, and speak more and more, and try to explain around you whatever you have. And now my target is that, and today right now I'm in my workplace, So I'm a manager here. My roles involve managing the cash count and also managing the digital social media. As a digital marketer, I need to uh, manage social media account platform. Sometimes I need to make design and package for our page. So I need to do a lot of things, and also I have a one YouTube channel and also a social Shanto Momentum Facebook page. I need to make content and upload there. But people are not interested to watch my video. I don't know why. But I'm not famous. But whenever I will be speaking English fluently, people will like me, inshallah. And now I'm trying to improve myself. I'm trying to sharpen my skills. And the best thing, at the time, you have a lot of time. Sharpen your skills and go look for what and jump in the workplace, jump the real life experience. Real life experience is very important. I like real life things. When I believe some things, if you tell me I'm a digital marketer, I'm an ad expert, but I don't believe that. If you show your portfolio to real life experience, then I will believe you. People that same thing like me, but my target is I will be walking over the world. My target is not work out of marketplace. I mean Bangladesh. But yes, inshallah, I will be done. I will do. But my goal is to provide my service over the world. That's why English is very essential for me, and pray for me, and please follow my rules, follow my way. And if you and also whenever you follow one rules, you think your mind tell you can follow another way. And suppose me, I don't learn anything only for one way. I think is the one way is good, and I am improving. And I try to find out. Uh, there is maybe there is also as a lot of there is a lot of way to learn this. Okay, and also is that whenever I get problem, nervous, frustrated, and I have tell my mind every problem has a solution. And at the time, I use my sage brain. Sage brain motivated me a lot. You know, if you don't know what the sage brain, you can watch my previous video. I was sharing my three brains. If you control your three brains, you will become a billionaire. I don't want to tell you billionaire. If you are a target, you want to billion. If you want to billionaire, and that. If you want, you can say like this. I'm trying, and I'm watching you, and the next billionaire you, and next English teacher you. And I will pray for you, and everyone pray for me. I can successfully complete my all things, and I have a big dream in future, and my family, and me. And now sometime I get some problem, but I don't like to waste my time. But whenever I need to free time, I read books about business related, and also I watch critical movies in English. But I don't watch a Bengali movie now because I'm English learner. As English learner, he should be watch English movie. So you can also watch English movie. If you need if you need a good English, if you need a suggestion, a good movie, you can tell me. I will be sending you the good English movies. If you watch this movie, you will learn a lot of word, a lot of sentence. Okay. I know maximum people don't watch in this my in don't will be. I know people will not watching my video at that time, but I don't care that. One people watch my video and follow, I'll be happy. Allah Hafiz and see you in the next video. And please don't follow my mistake. I'm a learner like you. Allah Hafiz.